Yo, 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 yo. Um, so, contracts just got rolled, and so now all of my annotations are worthless. So let's remove all drawings. So, YM, let's put that back. I liked having that there just for reference. YM has taken out the all-time high, nice sweep of it. Um, Still have some daily fair value gaps below, so strong likelihood that these come down and get filled at some point. So we'll just mark that one. Looks like we may get one unless we don't draw lower, but I think we actually will. Yeah, YM, there's a little gap there on the 4 hour. Let's turn off this PO3. So yeah, we swept the all-time highs. I mean, very strong likelihood that this could roll over. Just before I finish looking at the charts though, here's the flow from today. Um, Bearish flow, puts rising into the up move into the end of the day, calls being sold. Though there was a little bit of a hedge there or something. But that coincided with a bit of a sell-off. So what might happen because of this, we may get a nice little rally maybe before market open or something, and then we'll get the dump if there is going to be one. Yeah, interesting here because the tide was also bearish, even though price was rising. So yeah, puts were going down, but they were actually flat um, into the close and still negative. Same thing with the calls. Calls were being sold until for lunch. Um, this is my time. I gotta switch that. Okay, yeah. Until after lunch, until the PM session. PM session calls flattened out, but both negative, and puts both positive. So that gives me pretty bearish bias for tomorrow at least, with Qs being bearish as well, though there was a profit take, but that matched the price action, so it looks like that just followed price. So yeah, maybe one little more movement up into the morning or something tomorrow. Maybe finish up some sort of small move. Maybe we take out, I mean, look at those highs. For some reason, ES hasn't switched while the Dow has switched contracts. Weird. Um, let's see if these daily fair value gaps in the right place. No. So looks like it has switched, but just hasn't updated the actual letter yet. So yeah, we do have a bit of a tiny daily fair value gap here. Are we on the daily? And then we have relative equal highs. So yeah, that makes sense with the calls rising. We're gonna probably sweep this, fill in the rest of this fair value gap, tag the order block or something, and then roll over back into today's low. Kind of what I would be expecting. But yeah, we have these relative equal highs here, very obvious. Oops. Have caps lock on and I try to capitalize it. So that's there. So yeah, I mean, I think this could come down and then sweep the high. I think these highs are going to get swept. So I think we may get a nice short here on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, man, this is so annoying to delete all this. 32 drawings. I have all these old PD array things that I had available. How annoying. All right. Yeah, we filled in everything. We're into the order block. Daily, we did get this daily fair value gap filled roughly. There's a bit of a sliver left, but I don't think it will tap it other than, or sorry, I don't think it will care about the inefficiency more so the low. So the low is enough to have labeled already. But as for areas of interest, take this off. We have these relative equal highs that I already had marked out. We'll mark that out. Missed that long opportunity, but it's okay. So yeah, we have a market structure shift here on the 4-hour. So I do like a short here. We got a 4-hour market structure shift. We just tagged into it, right? To the after hours. Yes, we need, oof. Yes, let's get rid of this alert. That one up here. So yeah, we got relative equal highs in alignment with a bearish market structure shift, S&T divergence. So yeah, this is gonna be nice. Too short, maybe we come all the way back up into these relative equal lows as a like support resistance sweep and then down. So yeah, I like that. Still, this 4-hour fair value gap maybe the area, maybe it's already gonna go down. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna wait till the news tomorrow for the added probabilities. And the premiums usually play out at the open. So news could, we could come down and then news rallies this, and then into the open is where we open, and then we get the sell off or something. But anyways, don't want to get too wrapped up into that because they can use SPX calls pre-market, so can't get too wrapped up into that. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. I like it. Russell, the long sucks. Suck. All right. Um, looks like Russell has the same drawings. So contract hasn't switched here yet. We'll leave the drawings. So yeah, we did confirm this fair value gap here, and nothing else to note. We're still in a rejection area. Lots of wicks. Not super clean. So the long I was looking for already happened, and now it doesn't look like that. Doesn't look that good. So I'll be watching ES and Nasdaq way closely. As for the Dow, okay, Dow may offer us something clean here for a short, so let's keep an eye on that. Usually we're gonna wait for the ES sweep. We're gonna wait for the ES sweep before anything. Nothing is really here on the Dow. There's nothing clean here. Maybe 15-minute chart. No, still nothing. So we'll wait for the ES sweep. That's probably gonna happen. Probably overnight. And let's get short Nasdaq. That's probably the plan for tomorrow. So let me write that up. Nasdaq short. Let me write it right here. Next day outlook. Yeah, that's super simple. I love that. I love it when it's simple like that. 'Cause that today was like a stressful trade because it wasn't working. And but I do want to take a look back at Russell here. So we did have another daily fair value gap there formed. But as for the 4 hour, we shifted up into here, confirming bullishness. That's since been taken out. So it's not like we're confirmed bearish or anything. I'd actually expect this to diverge from NASDAQ and all that. So still would like this to come down, but tomorrow morning I'll have to figure out what the plan is after the short. Like theoretically, if the short plays out, and then figure out the long, and that's kind of how I would be watching this. So this has swept these old relative equal lows, so it makes sense for this to also come down. 1 hour chart, nothing. 15-minute, nothing for market structure shift. We did get a shift here, but then this was all failures, swings, and I still expect these. I think what may happen is this way just take out the high, and then maybe YM fails or something like that. It'll take out some sort of liquidity, maybe these. We'll see. As for now, it sucks that should have made money today, didn't, but can't let that affect me. So yeah, that is the plan for tomorrow.